Probably not the best angle, but we're gonna unbox this. I'm not gonna talk through this part because it's more than likely I'll be, what do you call it? Time-lapsing through a couple parts, maybe. Who knows? We'll see. But, well, first, we got these aluminum wheels. And some people may already know what these are. The other RC car has these rubber tires that just so happen to fit over these, which is pretty funny. So I'm going to see if it works like this. It may have just like too much torque and the tires will come off, but yeah, I'm also going to order wheels with rubber tires as well. But yeah, hopefully you guys even just saw that. But yeah, here's some aluminum wheels and rubber tires from another thing, from another car. But yeah, not sure what channel this is going to go on, but making this video from now, and we'll decide that in the future. But this is like an upgraded suspension kit. I mainly bought this for the coilovers that are in here. Not sure what else is going to be able to work, but yeah, we'll keep this for now because I don't know what we're going to need. But yeah, actually, no, these are not the adjustable ones, but I do believe it lowers the car. I guess we'll just see whenever we get to installing this, but let's get into the car, or yeah, the car itself. So let's close this knife just in case. Here's a part of the box right here. Hopefully this is a good view. Yes, it is. I'm seeing through the preview on my watch. But yeah, you see here, K969. Yeah, so I was recommended that I get one of these cushions as opposed to making the one that I have faster, because I already did make it faster and I messed some stuff up because I believe the battery, which is this battery, is just too strong for it. Yeah, let's pop this open. It says transmitter, motor, steering servo, battery, charger. Yeah, wait, what the hell? Oh, okay, I guess the box just has this thing on it. I'm hoping they gave me the right thing. I'm sure they did, but can never put anything past people. Okay, so yes, they did send the right thing. It's just weird that that's the box it came in. So here we go. Let's drop this something now. Okay, what is this? Battery. Oh, this is, at least I think this is a battery. Yes. 7.4 volts, 450 milliamp hours. This one is 7.4 but 2000, and clearly that's not going to fit. But maybe there is an upgraded battery, like maybe 10 volts or something, that I can use if I want this thing faster. But yeah, this body is super plasticky and soft, but the ride height looks pretty decent so far. The bottom here is the charger. Here are some spare gears. Okay, so this is zip tie here. Let's pop this open. I'll try not to cut myself, because that would be ungood. So there we go. That's off. Okay. So boom. That's out. And this has a grip here. I don't know why. Maybe I was looking at another thing, but I thought that this thing had a screen on top. I guess this is too far budget to have a screen. Requires batteries, which I don't have at the moment. Well, I have, but not up here. I gotta go down and get them. This thing is here with 2 more zip ties, so let's pop that. And okay, turn this around. and hopefully it can fit. And boom. I should not have put my thumb there because I could have flew right through and stabbed myself, which again would be very bad because that's against YouTube's terms of whatever. So here's the body of the car. Okay, so the body is not like securely mounted, but yeah, like I definitely want the ride height to be as low as possible, even if that means like filing down some of this, because again, this is just some plastic stuff. So let's pop these clips off. No, look at that, and I already scratched it. Like, rip. That's insane. That's actually very annoying, but you know what? This thing's gonna get crashed and stuff like that, so who cares? Plus, we're not keeping this body anyway. We want something that's cooler looking. Oh wow, it has 2 batteries actually. So has these 2 things. And then this, I'm not sure what plugs into what. Maybe this plugs in here. Yeah, that would be hilarious. But yeah. So the suspension actually feels pretty firm in a good way, like balanced, flat bottom. Here's the motor right here, antenna, power. Power off. So we're gonna grab some batteries and then get back to you guys. Also, okay, yeah, so the tires on here are plastic and they don't come off, so this is how it would look. I'm gonna run this thing for a second with these on, and then we're gonna just run the aftermarket wheels because they're a lot cooler. Just give me a second to go grab the batteries for the remote or transmitter. Got to get the lingo down, and then I'll get back to you guys in a few minutes. So we got the batteries. One thing I don't know is if the batteries in the car come pre-charged, so we'll check that. And then in part 2 of the video, we'll actually play with the car, but yeah. Okay, so boom, on and off. Oh yeah, and then we also got another thing. The reason I don't really care for the plastic Porsche body is this has some magnetic mounts and the body mounts for the car. If you guys can see that, hopefully you can. But yeah, just gonna throw that to the side. There's supposed to be a tool somewhere to remove the tires. Which I don't see. Not the tires, the wheels. But yeah, so there's nothing to remove it. Actually, give me one quick second to see if it tells me something or if I missed something somewhere, but I don't see anything. And then none of these things came with one, so I'm definitely gonna need a pack of tiny tools. Yeah, give me 1 second. Yeah, so the tires pretty much just burn out on the carpet, which is funny. But that's, yeah, that's funny. And the car is super low. Give me one quick second. So I did end up finding a tool small enough to get the wheel off this 4mm socket. So we'll throw the wheels on with and without the rubber tires on. See? But yeah. Next video, you guys will see all that. So thanks for watching, like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll get to you guys in the next one. Peace.